University too, I am working with the this hacking project in my vehicle. My friend Mary gave me some scrap leather and asked me was I really going to use it, or did I have a purpose for it. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a pen holder, or a something to cover my GPS here when not in use at night, just to have it blackened out. Not only that, I'm gonna take and put some pockets in this leather, and I have two different shades. It's gonna have to be trimmed up, matched up, and trimmed up. I'm gonna use the sewing machine and just put some lines down here, maybe trim that up. Use it for holding small items here in front of your GPS system. When not in use, it's just simply going to be able to snatch it away and get it out the way when you're going to be using your radio or your GPS system here. So, Miss Mary, this material will be used, well used. So this one's going at the top. This piece here, no, this piece is going at the bottom, and this piece is going at the top. Get my corners going on here. Take care of that one. I'm going to get my corners now. I'll take this one first. Could leave it like it is, son. Let's see here. Pen. Magnifying glass. That'll fit there too. I think I'll leave it alone. We're going to go with these two. Be trimmed up really bad. I had to change thread. This ain't working. I think we're going to be good to go. I cut a small hole here in the center. that opening. I guess I'm gonna have to do it. My lighting is acting strange. So we have some type of border here. Diversity 2, finishing up the customized caddy dashboard caddy project. Real simple, easy project to make. Just a matter of cutting up some leather, shaping it into the shape that you're looking for, and taking some Velcro and trying to sliding it in the place where you can mount this caddy. I sewn Velcro on the back of the leather there, and it's just to I don't like things being exposed, and this will certainly cover that up. You don't want to have a lot of equipment just exposing your vehicle wherever you park, to keep the Roman eyes from targeting you. So